Hi viewers, now we discuss that exercise 1.1 second question. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form of 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 where q is some integer. Means here any odd number must be get the form like 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. We check it for this one solution. Enter the solution, listen carefully, don't skip. Now observe, let a be any positive integer. Now we prove that any positive integer is of the form of 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 where q is some integer. By using Euclid's division algorithm, that is a equals to b into q plus r comma q belongs to z plus, where 0 less than or equals to r less than b, comparing 6q plus 1 comma 3 comma 5, that one comparing bq plus r. So q before value as b, the above expression q before value as 6, that is b equals to 6. So put b equals to 6 in the above equation. A equals to 6 into q plus r, comma q belongs to z plus, where 0 less than or equals to r less than 6. So the remainders are like we get it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we apply as in that above expression. If r equals to 0, then a equals to 6 into q plus r value as we choose 0. So 6q plus 0 is nothing but 6q only. Now in place of q we apply 1. So 6 ones are 6. 6 is a even number. In case q value as 2, we choose 6 into 2, 12 is also a even number. 6 into 3, 18 is also a even number. Clearly 6q is an even number. Now if r equals to 0 after we apply 1, then a equals to 6 into q plus r value as 1. 6q is it a even number? Now plus 1 is a odd number. So even number plus odd number makes as odd. Once again we choose here example. Even means I take it 2, odd means 1. So 2 plus 1 makes as 3. 3 is it a odd number. That's why 6q plus 1 even plus odd is nothing but is an odd number only. If r equals to 0, 1 is it after we take it 2, then a equals to 6 into q plus 2. So 6q is it even number, 2 is it a even number. So even plus even we get the value as even number only. Example, even means I choose 2. Again another even means 4. So 2 plus 4 as 6 is also a even number. That means even plus even makes is an even number. Now if r value as 0, 1, 2 is it after we take it 3, then a equals to 6 into q plus 3. 6q means even, 3 is it a odd number. So even plus odd makes as odd. That is 6q plus 3 is an odd number. If r equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 is it after 4, then a equals to 6q plus 4. So 6q means even, 4 is also a even. Even plus even makes a even. So 6q plus 4 is an even number only. If r equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is it after last value 5, then a equals to 6 into q plus 5. means 6q is even, 5 is it odd. So even plus odd makes as odd. So 6q plus 5 is an odd number. Now we observe where the odd numbers are there. Observe. So if any positive odd integer is of the form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5 are odd numbers only. That is 6q plus 1 is it a odd number only. 6q plus 3 is also an odd number, and 6q plus 5 is also a odd number. Clearly what we get it here, hence any positive integer is of the form of 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 is any odd number. So I hope to understand this solution clearly. Thank you for selecting my video.